What do you say?
Where were you born?
Okay, I was born in Shaki, Oyo State, Nigeria. What else do you want to ask me?
What car do you like to drive?
What kind of car do I like to drive? I like to drive a Nissan.
What is Nissan?
Nissan is the brand of the car that I love to drive. And I love to drive the latest cars. Big one. Latest car are new cars, new and beautiful cars. So what other question do you would like to ask me?
The Yoruba.
You haven't asked me about my name.
What is his name?
My name is Mufutau Adewumi Waliu.
You know mine, Lala. What color do you like?
I love black and blue.
I love black.
Okay.
Okay. Black and what? What food do you like to eat?
I love to eat amala. I love to eat eba. I love to eat beans. Beans is my favorite, and plantain. Dodo. I love them so much.
Daddy, give me the plantain.
Plantain is dodo.
Daddy, give me this leg.
I love plantain. I love beans.
Give me the beans.
Beans is ewa.
What kind of monster truck do you like?
What kind of monster truck do I like? I love the big one with all those big wheels. Big round wheels. The wheels are made of chain, and then chain is in Yoruba. The chain is it's made of a metal, a long rod, and they normally cast them in round, kind of round shape, and then they are interwoven somehow, and that is chain. It's made of metal. So, and then that's the kind of monster truck that I like.
What do you like? What kind of animal do you like?
What kind of animal do I like?
Yeah.
I love my favorite animal is lion. Why? Because it's a very strong animal.
My favorite is lion.
Your favorite lion is lion too. What else? What other animals do I like?
Yeah.
I like
Gepard.
What is it?
Gepard.
What is gepard?
Gepard.
A cheetah. I love a cheetah because why? Because it's a very fast animal and it can run very fast.
But one dinosaur is faster than cheetah.
One dinosaur is faster than cheetah. Yeah. Seriously? Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel Yoruba Pikin and remember to hit the notification bell to enjoy more of our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. Odabo.